How to share Google Drive link on WhatsApp. Sharing a Google Drive link of a certain media or anything or a file to your WhatsApp is very simple. Now basically all you have to do to share Google Drive link on WhatsApp is to first of all make sure you have downloaded the Google Drive app, and then you open it up, and then you go to your Google account and select a file of which you'd like to copy the link of. So let's say there's a certain file. I just tap the three dots option. Then you can see many options and you can see share and so on, but I will just select copy link. Now you also want to make sure that it is in a public link so that any people with the link can actually view it and not just set to private. So after you've copied the link, now you can go to WhatsApp and you can simply share the link with anybody that you prefer right here. So you can simply go ahead and enter that, and once done you'll be able to basically paste the link and share it to that person. It's as simple as copy and pasting it. This way you'll be able to share Google Drive link to WhatsApp. I hope this video helped you. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.